So guys, Israel, I'm back again with another exciting video. Do it for the video to the end. Today I'll be talking about BTC review as we usually do, and then talk about another hot and bullish one for the new week, and let's see how it goes. So guys, I talked about BTC last week, and the trade was absolutely insane. I mean, I've not seen a profitable trade than that, and also we literally made a lot of money from odds group, and that was very cool. So I will dig out some things why I'm bullish on the next big move coming to BTC, and we pick up some tokens that will be very interesting for the week to look up to, and that should be very nice. So let's dig into it. We start from, we're gonna check BTC right away. So yesterday we launched BTC and kind of we made good money from it also. As you can see from the group, a lot of people that really followed me up made money. So this guy made $7 and managed to take some profit, and that was because we entered this trade yesterday on our community and everybody made money from it yesterday. So it was very cool. So I can see my own PNL. I actually posted it when I was up a very good figure and kind of made 82% on my PNL. So this was a trade. We took the trade, but it's have not reached full TP actually. So they see time for it to go up, and I laterally give them cautions of things that they should look up to. So yeah, if you want to join this group, the link is in the description of this video. If you like to subscribe to the channel, do subscribe and turn notification. Comment what you think about this video, if it's nice, and talk about where you feel like I should touch more on my next video. So let's dig into it. So it's still gonna be off because we first of all hit all-time high. It's always a historical thing when we hit all-time highs, and BTC kind of, it's two things. It's either it retraced very well or it follows the next setups to the nearest, and we talk about this 135k 140k target, which is generally the bull market price in. I mean, that should be where the bull market should have priced in. So anything beyond that is kind of, I don't know, maybe something new. So I don't know for that. So if you check my channel, you check my X account here on Twitter, I one of those guys that dropped the best BTC calls as of last year, I think, on my channel. That was very interesting call, and we made crazy amount of money from that. So if you check my channel here, when BTC was sub 58k or something like that, I dropped a call also, and I also had the same analysis when BTC was around 25,000. So that was insane, right? But I don't usually trade BTC. I don't know why, just because I usually much in contact with altcoins, but BTC is the best thing for you to make easy money. It's definitely a good it's kind of easy analysis, because last week we analyzed this shit and damn, it kind of went crazy from here last week. So this was a trade I took last week, but we scalped on my group. So we took profit somewhere here, and their market kind of keeps skyrocketing. So the same thing happens here.
No battery, please charge.
We have a good imbalance, and market picked from it a little bit yesterday, trying to feel that be created on Saturday. But I think if the market is still gonna dump, I think it's gonna reflect somewhere. Let me just point out. We're still gonna reflect on this zone, maybe something like this. I don't know, but that's my peak. But if anything breaks below this place, it's kind of so bearish on it. But this is October. That's what it called, right? So we check on Ethereum as well. I mean, Ethereum. I provided Ethereum entry, but it didn't pick. That was it paid me a lot that I didn't pick, but I expect it to do well in the coming days. So this was my analysis. So it picked just slightly above the first order block, which I didn't expect it to take it personal from there, but it was a bit slight from it. So it's like, had it been that it didn't take that first order block without the second order block to pick up, but I didn't mention about the first order block. So that was my own point of mistake, I think. So we're gonna talk about the special tokens that are very interesting. So I noticed these tokens, the MYX, one of the best performing token this year, and it was a crazy token. It's kind of dumped a lot, right? And whenever this token dumps this way, there's always a pullback. So I started to pull back in the coming days. If you don't want to lose money trying to trade features on it, so best you buy it on spot. It's kind of always profiting when it goes back up, and it's very fast in it have whales, right? So tokens that have whales like that, it's always not for you to miss the opportunity. Once you see that you can't position through these features, the best way to trade sometimes, once you see you can't position through features, right, you can easily buy spot. Let's say $100 invested on this should give you at $12 range should give you $120 in profit. So that is what you need to do if you don't want to lose money trying to swing it on features or trying to enter it on features. You get the point. Now, I also talked about this token RFC EST. No, we made money from it actually. The trade was a good trade and it gave us quite a lot of money. I think that was one of my trade I made up to um $500 alongside this last week. So it was very, very interesting trade. And here we have a slightly bit of bullish analysis, but I'm here to conduct that on your group. I'm going to drop the trade on the group. So if you're here to join our group, just join the group on the video. I'm going to make the video very, very short as possible. And I think we're just going to wrap things up. Then see you guys on my next video. So today I also talked about XPL Plasma. This token have potential according to so many narrative, and it's a good tech. It's also a good reputation. It has the quality to perform well in the future. I don't know, you can't just have trust in crypto, but yeah, that is what we're talking about. So if you're looking for tokens to buy to keep for a long term, Plasma is the best token for it because it's also a layer one and it sits at 1.6 billion. So if you check other layer ones that are sitting at average of, if you check Hyperliquid, if you check Sui, you see all these tokens are sitting at 10 billion and the rest, some of them are sitting at 3 billion. So you have like 5x possibilities in the future, you have like 6x possibilities in the future. So if you have something to kind of buy and keep, it's likely not bad for you to buy and keep. Also, if you want to wait for more deep, that's very, very interesting to wait for more deep. So I think the video should end here. I have extended it, overextended it actually. So please do have to subscribe and turn notification, like, comment what you think about the video, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace off.